Good morning, class. On previous turn, we had studied about the structure of a tooth. We had seen that how a tooth is made up of, what is its structure. Today we are going to study another topic, that is tooth decay. Tooth decay. Okay. So students, all of you open your page number 13. Open your page number 13 and keep your finger at the topic tooth decay. When we eat our food, bits of food get stuck between our teeth, right? Whenever we eat any food, then the food particles stick between our teeth. This becomes the breeding ground for bacteria, and when the food stick to our teeth, then it becomes the breeding ground for bacteria, means then all the bacteria, this become the place for all the bacteria. Breeding ground means all the bacteria will come here and they will reproduce themselves. They produce more and many more bacteria. Okay, these bacteria form a thin sticky layer called plaque on teeth. Now what these bacteria do? These bacteria form a thin sticky layer over our teeth, and this layer is called plaque. P-L-A-Q-U-E, plaque. Okay, so students, what happened that whenever we eat food, some particles of food get stuck in our teeth, and then bacteria, many more bacteria comes in our mouth on between our teeth. Okay, and these bacteria form a sticky layer over our teeth. This sticky layer is called plaque. This plaque produces an acid which starts dissolving the animal, leading to tooth decay. And what happens when the plaque is deposited over our teeth? Then this plaque produce an acid. Okay, in our mouth, the plaque, the sticky layer, produce an acid in our mouth, due to which our enamel of our teeth gets dissolved. Okay, enamel of the teeth gets dissolved, and then it is called tooth decay. Here you can see a picture, students. So what happened? We eat food, then we do not brush, so the food particles stick to our teeth, and then when food particles stick to teeth, then many bacteria can come in our mouth. Many bacteria will come in our mouth, and they will form a sticky layer over our teeth, which is called plaque. And this plaque produces an acid, and this acid, due to this acid, our enamels get dissolved, and this is called tooth decay. You can see, students, at this place enamel is dissolved. Okay, so the acid produced by plaque dissolves the enamel of our teeth. Now these bacteria slowly make a hole in teeth, then they infect the dentine and finally the pulp. Now these bacteria will make a hole in our teeth, and then they infect our dentine also and pulp also. Okay, when the bacterial infection reaches the nerves inside the pulp, it causes severe pain. And if that bacterial infection reaches to the root and reaches to the pulp, then there in the pulp, nerves or blood vessels are also present, so it causes severe pain, and that time we feel lots of pain in our teeth. Okay, tooth decay results in a foul smell from the mouth, toothache, cavity, and indigestion. Now tooth decay, if the plaque will produce the acid, then it results in a foul smell from our mouth. Then from our mouth very bad smell will come, and toothache means teeth pain in teeth also we will feel, and cavities and indigestion. Okay, then in our teeth cavities will take place, and indigestion also, we have to suffer from indigestion also. Okay, so to prevent this tooth decay, students, how this tooth decay is being happened due to the food particles which is stuck in our teeth. Okay, so if we want to prevent tooth decay, then we should always, after every meal, if we are eating anything, just after that we should rinse our mouth with water very properly, so that if any food particle is stick to our teeth, then it can be removed. Okay, with the help of water it can be removed, and then bacteria will not grow and your teeth will be safe. Okay, so let's start now. Care of teeth. We all know that teeth are very important for us. Students, keep your finger here. We all know that teeth are very important for us. We must take good care of our teeth. To keep teeth healthy and prevent them from decay, you must follow the tips given below. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night before going off to bed. 2 times we should brush our teeth. We should brush our teeth twice, in the morning and in the night before going to bed. The next is, do not eat too many sweets and chocolates. They spoil the teeth. Lots of sweet food we should not eat. We should not eat many sweets and chocolates and other sugary food. Okay. The next is, rinse your mouth after every meal. If you are eating anything, just after that rinse your mouth so that the food particles do not stick to your teeth. Okay. The next is, massage your gums every day to make them strong. Daily you should massage your gums. The light pink color gums you should massage to your gums so that they can be strong. Okay. Use dental floss for cleaning between the teeth. If you are feeling that any food particle is stick to your teeth, then use dental floss. What is dental floss, students? Dental floss is a thread which can be inserted between the two teeth, and then those teeth can be cleaned. Okay. So dental floss is a thread for cleaning the teeth. So we should use dental floss for cleaning between the two teeth. The next is, do not forget to visit your dentist once every 6 months. At every 6 months you should go to your dentist. You should meet to your dentist and you should check your teeth. Okay. So the 2 times you should brush, morning and night. Do not eat more sugary food. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Massage your gums. Use dental floss for cleaning the teeth. And don't forget to visit your dentist. Okay. Now students, for the care of teeth, the brush is very important. To brush our teeth is very important. Then okay, let's learn how we should brush our teeth. Regular brushing of teeth is the best way to keep the teeth healthy, right? Okay, the first point is, this is the first point, brush your upper teeth with down stroke and lower teeth with upward stroke. Means, students, you should rub your upper teeth with the help of brush, and then you should down stroke. Means like this, to and fro movement. You should take the brush, you should rub like this and then down, then again like this and down, again like this and down. And at the lower jaw you should brush up, to and fro, then upper, to and fro, then up, to and fro, then up. Okay, so that if any particles stick to your teeth, they can come outside. The next is, brush at the back of the teeth. You should not brush only this at this level. You should brush your teeth from back side also. Okay, from that side which is inside the mouth, from that side also you should, from this side also you should brush your teeth. Brush the surface of the premolars and molars, and we should brush the premolar and molar teeth very properly, because those teeth are flat teeth, so we should very properly clean those flat teeth. Okay, students, so today we had learned tooth decay, what is tooth decay, and how we can care of our teeth, and how we should brush our teeth. Okay, so students, today we had studied tooth decay, care of teeth, and how to brush. Now next turn we will study healthy teeth and gums. Thank you.